I've lightly filled in my brows and I'll set it with the matte clear brow gel. I'm setting my eyelids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer before I go in with the Naked Heat palette in the shade Dirty Talk. I'm then using the 22 4S MAC blending brush to give my eyeshadow a more natural look. I'm then using the Maybelline liquid eyeliner and I'm placing it on the back of my hand before I apply it because I find it easier. I use makeup wipes to make my eyeliner more even. I then use the travel size Benefit Roller Lash because I find it easier, and a clear mascara wand to make sure it doesn't go clumpy. The best bit. I'm using my concealer to clean up the bottom of my eyebrows, and then I use my tinted moisturiser to clean up the top. I'm using the Bare Minerals Combo Control Primer for the base, especially in the areas I'm more oily. I like using the tinted moisturiser because it's very lightweight and natural, but I make sure to blend it in. I kind of went concealer crazy on this day, but I'm just applying this under my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead, and on a few blemishes that I had. After blending all of that in, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and I'm just setting everything. Love some highlights, so I'm just applying that in the main areas, making sure to do it quite lightly, making it very natural. And that's the look. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.